Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Netdiscover. Netdiscover is a network discovery tool that sends ARP or Address Resolution Protocol requests to devices on a local network. By analyzing the response to these requests, Netdiscover can determine which devices are connected to the network and can even determine the operating system of the devices. Netdiscover is often used by network administrators to find and identify devices on a network, but it can also be used by attackers to identify potential targets. So now a quick demonstration of how Netdiscover actually works. Netdiscover is already pre-installed on the Kali machine. Okay, so make sure you're in a root terminal and go ahead and perform an ifconfig command. We will use our IP and the subnet mask in Netdiscover to perform a discovery attack. Perform the command netdiscover r192.168.0.0/24 and 24 is equal at our subnet mask right here. So now Netdiscover is discovering all devices that are on our network within this subnet mask. So give it a little bit of time and make sure you maybe recognize some devices from your own home network. To quit running Netdiscover, you can just simply press Ctrl+C. The output should show the IP and MAC addresses of any devices that are active on the network. To get more detailed information about the devices, you can use the P option, which will show you the device type and manufacturer and operating system. So let's run the command again with the P option. We can already see that this takes a whole lot longer to load. That is because of the P option. Unfortunately, this is way too long, so I'm just gonna speed up the process. Okay, so let's quit this process right now. Last option we can use is write or hosts to a file, like this. From here Kali will need some time, but your file will be created in one of your folders. So now, how can you protect yourself from this Netdiscovery? First of all, ensure that your firewall is configured to only allow traffic from trusted sources. Second, use a VPN to encrypt traffic between your computer and the network. Third, use an intrusion detection system to detect malicious activity in your network. This will alert you if someone is attempting to gain access to your network. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.